Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentation. Today we are going to discuss about the Indian construction cost. It's an overview as on June 2021. Article courtesy Bleeds India Limited. All the contents has been incorporated as written in the Bleeds India overview. This presentation is made for a general knowledge of how the Indian construction cost has been getting increased and stands as on June 2021. Before going to the construction cost, we must know about the economic review, gross domestic product, employment, inflation, world price index and consumer price index, US dollar to Indian rupees conversion, purchasing manager index, key price trends on steel, crude oil, diesel, cement, aluminum and copper, PVC. Then we come to the material prices, market survey, the labor survey, rate trends. Okay. From this, on understanding all these things, you must know how the construction prices have been getting increased day by day. It will give you a gross output of how the prices index has been ranges from 18 to 20. Let us talk about unemployment. On the employment front, as on February 2021, Indian employment rate was 6.9, down from 7.8 percentage in February 2020, indicating that the rate in the country had returned to pre-COVID levels. The second wave of COVID-19 pushed India's unemployment rate further. As per the Center Monitoring Indian Economy, unemployment rose in May due to disruption in the business activities amidst state level restriction and partial lockdown. A 3 million job has been lost in that period. The labor participation rate and the employment rate in the country continue to be much lower than the pre-COVID-19 levels. See, this is the employment rate which has been showing it. Okay, the blue color which is shows as unemployment rate percentage in India, that is 10.18 in June 2020 to 7.81 in July 21. Unemployment rate, which is shown as in yellow color in the urban area, 11.88 percentage in the month of June 20 to 8.44 percentage in the month of July 21. Then unemployment rate in the rural percentage, which is shown in the black color, is come from 9.49 percentage from June 20 to 7.22 percentage in the month of uh, July 21. These are all the sources which has been collected from the various magazines. Inflation. The major cause of concern in the construction industry's prices is also due to the inflation. However, the inflation rate in India is 4.84 percentage, which is closer to 2020 value of 4.95 against 6.67 in the year 2027. Inflation for the year 2021 is projected to be 4.85 and 4.03 in 2024. If you see year 2010, it was a 9.7 percentage, 17 percentage of the inflation, which is comes to 4.85 percentage in year 2021. Wholesale price index and consumer price index are the change in the prices of various goods, services, economy. The wholesale price index measures the percentage change in the price of wholesale index, while consumer price index measures the percentage change in the price in retail market, and hence it is more useful for our consumers rather than the business. WPI, that is the wholesale price index. Higher fuel commodity prices as well as low base effect push the wholesale prices to a new high of 12.94% in the month of May. For the past 5 months, wholesale inflation has been rising, the main driver being the fuel and power, which is increased to 37.6%, followed by manufacturing 10.8%, and primary articles to the tune of 9.6%. The continued rise in global crude oil prices, a weaker rupee, and an upward demand in the domestic fuel prices continue to be the risk factor in the wholesale price index inflation in the coming months. See, wholesale price index, if you see June 20th, it was minus 1.87, and in June 21, it should be 12.07%. That's a wholesale price index. Then consumer price index. Indian consumer price index is 6.26% in the month of June, which is slightly better than the previous month. Retail inflation soared to 6.2% in 2021 due to jump in food and fuel prices. Hence, the retail inflation breached 4%, 2% set by the Reserve Bank of India with an expected percentage. See, if you see in June 20, it was 6.23%, and in June 21, it was actually provisionally, which is known as a 2.61%. Whereas in the month of October 20, it reaches up to 7.61%. Key material prices trends, which has been hampering the construction industry or steel. The price trends and most used material in the industries are to change the consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic. Commonly used material price trends are demonstrated in the below presentation. Primary steel price. Primary steel prices is actually surging fast. China's recent decision to withdraw 13% export rebates of 146 steel products, combined with the international steel prices, likely benefited Indian steel makers to export more in the first half 2021. Overall, in the year of 2021, exports increased by 29%. Iron ore production in India fell down to 17.0% to 204 million tons in 21 from 246 million tons in 20. Okay. See, if you see the primary steel prices trends, which has been helping out. See the black color, the Mumbai. It is start in the year 37 rupees 3 paise per kg to gone to 68.53 in the 21. Whereas in Delhi, it is 37.23 to gone to 67.75. Whereas in Bangalore, it is from 37.03 to 68.01. Whereas Pune, 37.03 to 65.87. Whereas the highest is gone to Hyderabad, which is started from 37.03 in the year 2010 to 69.74 in the year of 2021. Almost the prices have been doubled in the primary steel market. Crude oil. Crude oil also has been increasing steadily from the beginning of 2021, and it has been reaching $75 per euro barrel. Indian consumers are facing the heat with the retail selling prices hitting 100 rupees. Okay. While the demand is expected to review, there are concerns over supply to ongoing stalemate between UAE and OPEC countries. While the supply situation is not unsalvageable, demand projection may need downward revision if the third wave happens. Okay. Also, the recovery is limited to advanced economics, which most developing underdevelopment has yet to progress the vaccination. See the crude oil prices in US dollar per barrel. Year 2010, it was 80.72. Today, it is 66.49. Okay, that is year 2021. Diesel. Sources is my petrol prices. The average price of diesel has been gone down to quite drastically from 110 rupees, whereas the crude oil has been 105 to 110 rupees per barrel. See now I'm going to talk about how these things. See the black color Mumbai. In the year 2010, it was 4150. In the year 2020, it was 89.58, almost 90 rupees. Pune, it is 38.43 to 82.48. In Bangalore, it is 42.02 to 87.38. Whereas in Delhi, it is from 39.37 to 87. Whereas in Hyderabad, it is 40.60 to 89. That is 90 rupees. It is exclusive of the taxes and everything. Okay. This is the way the price trend has been happening, and it is almost 2.25 times higher than the year 2010. Cement. Again, the prices of the cement has been increased. The second wave of COVID-19 had a negative impact, which fell 35% in the month of April 2021. Demand was strong in June and is expected to drive in July, September. The prices have been average 286 rupees per bag. Okay. In the year 2015, it was 224. In 2021, it was 286 rupees. Aluminum and copper. These are the most valuable materials in the construction industry. These prices also have been phenomenally increases. Copper has been declared a new oil, whereas aluminum growth to set up a energy transition also has been growing up. See, if you see the copper trending in the year 2010, it was US dollar per ton, that is 7,703. Now it is gone to 9,094. Almost 20% is increases. Aluminum percentage, again US $10, that is in the year 2010, it was 2,161, and today it is 2,245, a marginal of 5 to 10% increases. PVC, even though there is a lot of downward towards due to the lockdown, PVC prices are upswing. The PVC is in use mainly in the electrical, mechanical, and plumbing, etc., etc. See, if the PVC trend line in Mumbai in June 10, it was 50 rupees per kg. In June 21, it was 122, approximately 2.5 times higher from June 10 to June 21. That means in the 11 years, we had a 2.25% increase. Now let us talk about the material prices. See, if you see the material prices city-wise, this might be vary according to the, because there is somewhere I had a taxes and everything, somewhere I'm not included. Grade 53. In Mumbai, it is 290, Delhi 289, Bangalore 295, Hyderabad 290, Chennai 293, Pune 273. Reinforcement, it is 52,400 in Mumbai, whereas it is 52,092 in Pune. Clear glasses, 6 mm, 75 to 80 rupees in Mumbai, whereas in Bangalore it is 90 to 100, and Pune it is 75 to 100. 8 mm clear glasses, that is rate per square feet, 95 to 105 in Mumbai, whereas in Bangalore is 95 to 105, and in Pune also it is 95.105. Stones is a natural material. Granite, 152 to 250 rupees in Mumbai. It is generally average running around all the cities the same price. Marble, it is 220 to 500 rupees per square feet in Mumbai, whereas in Bangalore 180 to 500, whereas in Pune it is 180 to 500. Makrana marble, it is 250 to 1000 rupees depending upon the quality in Mumbai, whereas in Bangalore it is 250 to 100. It is the same market trend, it has been happening. Kota, whereas it is 40 rupees 50 paise in Mumbai, 30 to 40 rupees is only in Delhi and Pune. Kadapa, in Mumbai it is 20 to 25 rupees per square feet, whereas in Bangalore it is 15 to 25 rupees, whereas in Pune also it is 15 to 25. Then we comes to wood material. It is per cubic feet. Saltwood it is 1750 in Mumbai, Bangalore it is 1400, Pune it is 1400. Plywood, it is average running around 65 to 80 rupees in all the above mentioned 5 major cities. Paint, emulsion paint 20 liters. In Mumbai it is 3,200 to 3,500. Bangalore it is 3,100 to 3,500. Whereas in Pune it is running around 3,200 to 3,400. Now let us talk about aluminium. In Mumbai it is 190 rupees kg. It is all over all the 5 states remains constant. Whereas stainless steel in Mumbai it is 220 rupees per kg. It is in Hyderabad it is 210 rupees per kg. GI pipes, 50 mm to 100 mm pipe. What do you call it now? C class pipes. Okay. It is 455 to 1033 depend upon the brand in Mumbai. Whereas in Bangalore it is 4,479 to 1087. Pune it is 455 to 1033 rupees. Okay. It is per running meter pipe. UPVC 100 mm. It is 74 to 484 rupees depend upon the class and various other items in Mumbai. In Bangalore, it is 81 to 533, 74 to 484 in Pune. CPVC, SDR 11. In Mumbai, it is 506 to 2048. Bangalore, 556 to 2074. Pune, it is 506 to 2452. CI, single socket, that is 100 mm to 150 mm rocket. It is 7 per meter. The prices are all in per meter. 763 rupees to 1032 rupees. Whereas in Pune, it is 763 to 1303. Now let us talk about the general market survey. There are around about 178 candidates has been taken in the survey. It is included of a contractor, consultant, developers, designers, material suppliers, interiors, fit outs, and etc. Okay, the contractor is what they say is there is an increase by 5%, which has been mentioned in the blue color. Developer, that is in the yellow color, which has been mentioned, okay, increase by 5 to 15%. Like this, the various opinions have been provided here. Now, cost of a construction. Cost of a construction, generally everybody says it is hardly increased. It is only a 5 to 10% is the cost of the price is been increased. 94% of the people has been increased. The cost of the construction has been increased. Cement. Cement prices have been increased from 10 to 15%. If you see that, some says 30%, some says 19%, some says 12%, like that. Steel, it is the majority of the people says the steel prices have been increased more than 20%. Some says 40%, some says 20%, depend upon the state, depend upon the demand and everything, the steel prices increase. Like wood and plywood. Again, it says 5 to 10% is increases. Some says 32%, some says 31%. It is depend upon again the quality of the material, location, transportation, and other taxes. Aluminium. See, this is the people's really worrying factor. It has been totally increased by a 15%. Various peoples, when they surveyed it, is ranging from 3 to 19%. People says it has been increased. Copper. Copper again has been increased at 20%. This is also a vital component in the construction industry, such as a wire and everything. There are the various people survey says from 7 to 21%. They found prices have been increased, depend upon the state, depend upon the demand and supply. Plastic, again, this also has been increased to 5 to 10% in the prices. This affects the entire MEP services in the building construction cost. People says from 8% to 23%, the cost has been increased. Paint. Paint also has been increased 5 to 10% in the price, depend upon the location and the state. Aggregates. See, this is the one thing which we are not understanding it. The cost of the aggregates has been increased by 5 to 10%. This mainly due to the fuel supply, which has increased the transportation costs and everything. Okay. Majority of the people find it out, it ranges from 8 to 28%. Then scarcity of the material. People say there are a lot of people as says 36% of the steel is been shortage, 18% of the copper, 15% cement, 14% aluminum. Even though the prices have been inflated, due to the scarcity of the material, the construction also going down phenomenally. See now the labor and labor rate trends in the various cities and various states, we will find it out. Labor rates. Labor rates have been increased to the tune of 15 to 20%. Okay. And as the major infrastructure industries have been growing up heavily, the real estate industry has been facing the labor shortages. And moreover, even the what you call it, Minimum Wages Act also has been revised. Okay. Ranges from 505 to 714. Semi-skilled and unskilled will be 609 to 784. Highly skilled category will be 714 to 853. It is totally depend upon the cities, urban area, and other places. See, minimum wages, if you see the green color, okay, that is been unskilled, semi-skilled, and skilled. In Mumbai, what has happened? Unskilled laborers in year 2016, it was 462 rupees. Now in 21, it is 581 rupees. Semi-skilled, 482 rupees in the year of 2016, whereas 601 in the year of 2021. Where like that. Then we come to skilled laborers. 509 in the year of 2016 and 621 in the year of what do you call this now? 2021. For example, if we take in Chennai, unskilled laborers, 338 in the year of 2016, today it is 411. Whereas semi-skilled, it is 338 to 413. Unskilled laborers, in the 5 years period, it has been increased from 291 to 353. And highly skilled laborers has been increased from 375 to 455. In Hyderabad, if you taken about the unskilled laborers, it is increased from 329 to 378. Semi-skilled, 366 to 411. It's a marginal increases. Whereas 382 to 481, 431 in the skilled laborers. Whereas in Bangalore, it is, if you saw unskilled laborers, it is 310 to 470 rupees. This is a phenomenal increases in the city of Bangalore because due to heavy construction activities and everything, it is only in the 5 years period. Whereas semi-skilled 317 to 490, okay, and skilled laborers 325 to 490. The major prices have been increased in the city of Bangalore and Pune only. Availability of a laborer. Availability of the laborer also has been getting reduced. It's reduced by 25 to 50 percentage due to various other factors. Now we talk about construction costs. In the construction cost, the skilled laborers constitute 66 percentage. Semi-skilled is constitute around about 30%, 13 percentage. Unskilled laborers has been constituted by 21 percentage. Okay. In overall, the survey indicates 66 percentage of the labor shortage. The construction industries is recognized a major contribution in the country economy after the agricultural industry. The impact of the second wave has reduced considerably compared to the first, proving resilience. The rest of the year may be positive with reopening of other business activities and everything. The article courtesy is by Gleeds India, by the contribution from Sivasenapati, Prashant, Sanjeev Kumar, Bhagyeshri, and many more. This presentation is collection of the various articles, and I'm making it very clear it is not written by me. It is collection of various articles. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, for which the link has been provided. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly like, subscribe, and share so that I can motivated to give a furthermore valid presentation. Thank you once again for watching this presentation.